was being honest with myself, I'd have to say I'm okay, I'm okay. Not okay, but anyway, I love you. I know you got a life, and I'm just your home away from home. But the road we travel on is temporary ground. I no longer come around because I love you. I love you, and I know you love me, and the man you are will never leave. And I don't want you to just do you. We in the same zone, but I believe someday we'll be together, no matter the time or the weather. I wanna respect your space and hide my face. I'm really afraid to call you because I don't know what you would do, or if you wanna hear from me. So I just sit here and think about what we could be. What a wonderful thing that we found love yesterday, and yet there doesn't seem to be a way that we can truly be together. I don't want marriage, I don't even want to live with you. I don't wanna be a problem, but I can't get over the things you do to me. I tell myself that I wanna be free, but all I can think of each day is you and me, loving and living free. Baby, baby, can't you see? I really love you. I love you, and I know you love me, and the man you are will never leave. But I believe someday we'll be together, no matter the time or the weather. Our love will endure the test of time. I'm always yours and you're always mine. I will love you, no matter the reason. Winter, summer, fall, or spring, I never need a reason. If you feel the same, please let me know.